Hey champ, curious to learn something stylish and exciting in the world of coding? Today, we're diving into the universe of CSS, cascading style sheets. You know how a pizza starts with a plain base? That's like HTML. It builds the shape of a website. But what makes a pizza yummy? The toppings. Cheese, sauce, veggies. That's what CSS is for a website. It adds colors, cool fonts, fun layouts, and style. So, CSS is what makes everything delicious and amazing. Now, you'd ask, who is the master behind CSS? A stylish chef of the web, the fashion designer of the internet, Sir Håkon Lee created CSS. A cool recipe behind how websites look. So, when was it made? Almost 3 decades ago, in the year 1996, CSS was introduced to the world of the web. Like how we became better and stronger with age, even CSS grew into a powerful tool with various transformations. Is CSS important? Yes, and I'll tell you why. Websites used to be plain and text only. Pretty boring, right? Designers had to add colors and fonts to every page by hand, over and over. It was slow and tiring, like decorating hundreds of posters one by one. Then came CSS, the superhero of style. Now, one style rule can change everything. It's fast, easy, and awesome. Let's play a quick game. Can you spot where CSS has been used? Hint: look for colors, cool styles, and neat layout. That's CSS magic. Grab a pen, check the screen grab, and list them all. Drop your answers in the comments below. We can't wait to see them. And don't worry, we're already cooking up another fun topic for the next video. Catch you next time.